welcome back to my channel. I'm doing kind of a different video for you guys today. Sorry, my background is really light and kind of a mess. I'm in the process of redecorating since we moved, and I still can't decide how I want to do it. So I'm trying to figure it out, and I'm working on it, but I needed to film a video for you guys today. So I decided to get the summer Fabfitfun box. I know summer's almost over. I got it in July, a couple weeks. I ordered it and I just got it about a week ago. I thought I'd do something kind of different in this video. I would get the box, I would open it and kind of go through it and see kind of like what I'm loving, so I can give you guys like my opinions on some of these products. So I am very happy. A lot of the products in this box, I know it's super cute, but a lot of the products in this box are hair and skincare, so that's really, really nice. So I'm very excited to get into this box and show you guys what I got. Okay, so when you open up the box, they have their magazine, and then they have their little card that shows you a breakdown of all the products and which ones you got and which ones you can choose. So that's that. I personally wanted the summer box because I wanted this mini, it's right here. It's a mini straightening hairbrush. I thought it was so cute, and for travel it would be amazing. So it comes in this cute little bag like this. So I was very excited to get that, and that is one reason I ordered the summer one. Normally I don't do these Fabfitfun boxes, but this one had some awesome products in it you could choose from this time, so I was really excited. So this guy, this little straightening hairbrush, you had the options to get it or a bag. I think those were the only two options I had. It shows a couple other options on this card, but when I ordered it till the end of summer, and those were my only two options. Everybody's box got some of these adorable Hallmark cards. I guess they're a new collection and they're trying to promo them, so everybody's box got those. Let me get my little cheat sheet card so I can tell you. This has been a leave-in spray conditioner. The stuff has been amazing, and everybody's box got this. I definitely will be buying this and ordering this again after I run out of this, because this stuff is amazing. And then we got the Creme de la Creme hand cream, and everybody's box got that as well. And then this amazing all natural sugar scrub, which I haven't tried, but I'm very curious to try this one. I have a few sugar scrubs in my bathroom now, so I'm trying to finish them up before I open that one. Then the next thing is, another reason I ordered this box too was I've really been wanting to try the Kapari coconut deodorant. It's all natural and aluminum free deodorant. I've heard great reviews about it. A lot of people have talked about it, and I didn't know you could get it on Amazon. Now I do, because I checked this time when I got this box, but they have it on Amazon, and so I'm super, super excited to try this. I've been using it and loving it, and I can't wait to order another one. I think this is going to be my new favorite deodorant. It lasts literally on me all day, which is amazing because most of the natural ones wear off in a couple hours, so I love this product. And then I'm getting to, let's see what else there's. Then there's the hyaluronic acid. It's like a face, here I can show you. It's like a face oil, I guess. It's in a little dropper bottle like this. It says to apply 1 to 2 drops on your face as a daily moisturizer. This guy was really cool. This guy, let's see. This guy was $160. So this guy was really cool. I haven't tried it yet, but I've read a lot of great reviews on it, so I just figured I would pick that one. Then there is, let me get this one out of the box so you guys can see a little better. Alright, so here's the box. you guys can see it. It is this little product here. It says it's a for eyes or lips skin treatment. So I don't know. I haven't opened this guy yet, but that was one of the other guys in this box, and it was $55 for this little tube. Now mind you, since I ordered this box at the end of summer, the box was only $30. This video is not sponsored by them, but I decided it would be kind of fun to do to show you guys what I got in my summer Fabfitfun box, so I'm doing it. Now, the last item I got are these natural sprays. I've been really loving them. They're by this brand here, and on the paper here, let's see, what did it say? It says they're $20 for the set of 2. You've got a pomegranate and a turmeric, and they're just like they're not a setting spray, but they're just like this amazing, like, just like face spray to like not set your makeup, but just cool off your face when it's really hot. I love the smell of the pomegranate one. I love the turmeric one, but it has kind of a funky smell. It doesn't have like a fun flowery smell, so it's kind of that's my kind of downside to that. But anyways, so that is the last item in my Fabfitfun box. As you can see, here, last item. They package it so cute as I'm making a mess. They package it so cute. But anyways, that's what I decided to do for you guys today, this video. I know it's a little bit late going up. I've had a lot going on with us moving. Our summer's been crazy, and I've been trying to get back into a filming routine, and it's been very hard. But I promise I will be posting a video on Fridays from here on out, at least on Fridays, and maybe one during the week. That is my goal. I've been really crazy busy with work and just moving and getting everything settled in our new place and whatnot. And so it's been crazy, but I have some very fun and new exciting content coming up. So I definitely hope you guys look forward to checking out this video. If you like modesty videos, lifestyle videos, and all kinds of others. So definitely check out my channel if you haven't. I really appreciate that, and I'd love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. If you guys are not already a part of my YouTube family, definitely hit that red subscribe button and look forward to seeing what else I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a blessed afternoon.